Hello fam, yeah, today let me show you Nike SB Bungalow Jarritos. Okay, yeah, we can see, yeah, okay, yeah, let me see lap made of the gray color. Yeah, here's the new bagger leather, soft and smooth. First gray new bagger leather, toe, quarter, and then back tab. Yeah, made of new bagger leather. The other the tip, I stay, and then the back made of, and then the both check made of the flags. Yeah, the flag. Here you can see here the flag edge is the folded and the stitching design. Okay, yeah, both check is the green color. The other is the of the gray color. Yeah, flags. Okay, and here's the stitching, embroidered stitching logo on the back tab with the Nike, and the other is the Jarritos embroidered stitching on the back tab. Okay, the white shoes lace come with 3 extra shoes lace, and then use the tan, yeah, the tan and the tan label, yeah, with SB logo tan label, and the tan with the thick sponge inside the white color lining, and here's the inner sole, the fur inner sole with the Nike SB Jarritos screen printed on the inner sole. Okay, the white side rubber sidewall, green and orange color rubber outsole. Okay, yeah, you can see, yeah, the shoes looks perfect and clean. So if you like them, you can place your order on my site flycakes.net, or you may contact me by my WhatsApp. Thank you.